Breaking news just coming in India today is Access Farmers proposed tractor rally route for the Republic Day. These routes are subjected to approval from Delhi police. Sources are saying that the march is not going to be in a circle format. Tractors would be moving from 5 bases: Singhu Tikri, Ghazipur, Jaisinghpur and Chila, and will be coming back on the same day. The total distance covered would be approximately 120 to 140 thereabout kilometers. That's the latest coming in right there. Kamaljeet Sandhu breaking this story is now bringing us up to speed with the very latest. Kamaljeet, we've managed to access what the routes proposed by the farmers are. At the moment, total distance covered approximately 120 to 140 kilometers. We have accessed the routes, but the question really is, Kamaljeet, whether the Delhi cops have approved this. All right, Kamaljeet will be joining us in just about a bit. We've lost that connection, I'm being told, but that's the latest coming in. Kamaljeet has accessed farmers' proposed tractor rally route for the Republic Day. Kamaljeet is back with us. Kamaljeet, throwing straight across to you to walk our viewers through what the routes are, and the big question on whether they've gotten permission for this.
Well, Delhi police is obviously talking about this particular tractor rally. It should not in any case interfere. Now, there's been a talk about having the outer ring road where the rally would take place. So we've been told it's not the entire route, but let me just read it out to you. From Singhu border to Achaundi border, and from UP gate to Anand Vihar to Dasna to KMP Expressway. That's where the original rally, the rehearsal rally had taken place some time back. And from UP gate to Anand Vihar, Tikri to Gevra, Asoda to KMP. And from Chilla to Ghazipur and Palwal to Ghazipur. From Jaisinghpura Kheda via Manesar to Tikri border. So these are some of the routes. But remember, at this point of time, what Delhi police is looking at it is from the point of view of law and order to ensure that this does not cause congestion, does not cause any sort of inconvenience. Now, the farmers are promising that they will not in any way interfere with the main event at Rajpath. That's when once that rally really concludes, or the final event really concludes, is when the tractor rally may be given permission. But in the evening at 4:30, it's the special ADG intelligence of Delhi police who would be briefing the media. They would be finally announcing as to what really has been agreed upon. But clearly, so far, things seem okay because there seems to be an understanding between the cops as well as the agitating farmers. Now, remember, in Supreme Court earlier, a whole lot of things have played out, including the government objecting to a separate rally in that sense. And the other is the Delhi police also expressing their view that this cannot be allowed. Now, there has been a change in stance and a change in heart, and the farmers are finally being allowed. But then they said they will come to an agreeable point. So perhaps certain agreements have been made, but it's also a question of the routes and the timing. More clarity on it will come once that official announcement is made at 4:30 at the Delhi headquarters.
All right, so we'll wait for more clarity to come in. In the meanwhile, let's listen to what farmer leaders have to say.
आगे फ्रंट पे ट्रैक्टर रहेंगे, उनके पीछे ही ट्रैक्टर चलेंगे, उनकी स्पीड ज्यादा रहेगी, 10 से 15 के आसपास की स्पीड उनकी रहेगी। अच्छा, जहाँ वो स्पीड से चलेंगे कि ज्यादा तेज ना चले और सब लोग एक साथ में चले।
26 जनवरी के बीतने के बाद क्या?
हम तो यहीं रहेंगे, हम क्या कहीं जा रहे? ये किसी ने बताया थी हम कहीं जा रहे? ये तो अक्टूबर नवंबर तक चलेगा मामला, ऐसे ही थोड़ा खत्म हो जाएगा। सरकार भी बड़ी चीज है, किसान भी बहुत बड़ी चीज है।
Kishan parade issue has been discussed with police, and we have 5 long meetings. In details, routes and everything have been worked out, and we agreed that we will organize it peacefully, and police also assured that they will give all sorts of help to organize the event in peaceful manner.
जो रूट ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕੀ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰੀ ਦੇਤੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਤੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹਮੇ ਕੋਈ ਅਜੇ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਮਾਲੂਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਅੱਜ। ਬਾਕੀ ਦਾ ਇਹੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਦੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਨਾ ਦੇ, ਲੱਖੋਂ ਟਰੈਕਟਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ, ਲੱਖੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ। ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ, ਸਾਡੀ ਇੱਥੇ 50,000 ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਆਈ ਪਈ ਹੈ, 2,000 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਟਰਾਲਾ ਜੋ ਟਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੈ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਥੇਬੰਦੀ ਦਾ। तो असी जो ऐलान किया है उसके मुताबिक मार्च करेंगे, दिल्ली के अंदर करेंगे और रिंग रोड पर करेंगे।
While addressing a public rally from ISKCAR in Tamil Nadu, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has backed the farmers on their proposed tractor rally in Delhi on the Republic Day. Listen into what Rahul Gandhi had to say on this.
The country is being run in the interest of 5 or 6 big businessmen. Today we see, for the first time in our history, that Kisans are doing a rally on the 26th of January. They're doing a rally because they are hurt, they are upset, and they understand that what is theirs is being taken away from them.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.